It's February 2026, and the AI video race just got a whole lot more interesting. ByteDance is about to drop Seedance 2.0, and the early signals we're seeing, they're legitimately wild. I've spent the last few days digging through early demos, leaked test footage, and the community reactions. And honestly, if even half of what's being shown is real, we're looking at a significant leap forward in AI video generation. So today, we're breaking down everything we know about Seedance 2.0 before it launches. What's new, what's improved, and most importantly, what can you actually create with it? Let's dive in. For those just catching up, Higgsfield is your one-stop platform for AI image and video generation. They host all the major models, including Kling, Google VEO, and of course, Seedance. And Seedance 2.0, it's about to become the most powerful model on the platform. Version 1.5 Pro is already available on Higgsfield right now, and it's been solid for short-form video with native audio. But what's coming with 2.0 is a complete game changer. Here's what we're expecting. Instant creation, one-click video recreation. This is where things get interesting. Turn a single sentence into a complete video. Recreate trending clips or reimagine iconic scenes. The AI captures the style, structure, and intent so you skip hours of manual editing. Got a viral TikTok you want to recreate with your own character? Done. Want to restage a movie scene in a different setting? One click. The model analyzes the reference and rebuilds it from the ground up. Unified multi-input control. Here, we're talking up to 12 mixed inputs in a single generation. Images, videos, audio files, text prompts, all working together. Upload a character reference image, a dance movement video, background music, and a text prompt describing the scene. With some digging, I found out that it supports up to 9 images and 3 videos you can use as reference. That adds up to 12. And it can take audio input of 3 to 15 seconds, with your generated video being an output of 4 to 15 seconds, which will, of course, include native audio. The model understands how they all connect. Here is another video.
You think you're tough, you think you're strong, you're just a copycat singing my song.
Watch how the character's appearance stays locked across all these different angles. Front view, side view, close-up, it's the same person. That level of consistency has been nearly impossible to achieve until now. This is not just about quantity, it's about control, the ability to guide your generation with precision instead of hoping the AI gets it right. Pixel control, frame-level precision. Every character, object, and composition detail stays locked across your entire video. Control flows, scene transitions, and environmental frames for a polished, professional result. This means no more watching your character's face morph halfway through the clip. No more backgrounds that shift unpredictably. Every pixel stays exactly where it should be, frame after frame after frame. Narrative flow. Multi-camera storytelling. Generate new storylines or extend existing videos with natural shot connections. Character movements, narration, environmental sounds, and camera angles stay in perfect audio-visual sync across every cut. Think about what this means. You can create an entire scene with multiple camera angles, and the character stays consistent across all of them. Close-up, wide shot, over the shoulder, it all flows like it was shot by a professional cinematographer. Impact motion scenes. Generate intense action and fight sequences with realistic body dynamics, collision effects, and fast camera tracking. Complex multi-character interactions stay fluid and physically grounded. This is the feature that's getting everyone excited. You can choreograph entire fight scenes, and the physics actually make sense. Bodies move with weight. Impacts look real. The camera tracks the action smoothly. Now, let's look at what people are actually creating with this thing. All right, this one's fascinating. This man is running through a street as he's being chased and then collides with a fruit stall. Look at how the apples and oranges explode out of the boxes. What I'm looking for here is whether the model understands object permanence, gravity, and collision. And honestly, it does surprisingly well. The apples and oranges bounce naturally. They interact with the environment. There's even proper motion blur. I also want to mention that the fruit stall was only stated in the prompt, but it was not an image reference. But look at how the video turned out, and the camera continued to track him while keeping consistency of his face.
I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Here is where the motion synthesis really shines. Look at the body physics, the weight distribution. Previous AI video models would turn clips like this into a morphing nightmare, but here, the spatial awareness is locked in. The characters stay consistent even through complex movement and rotation. This is the kind of output that could actually be used in commercial projects without heavy post-processing. Okay, this one's from an early access tester who uploaded a storyboard and asked for a short combat scene. Look at this. The motion is incredibly fluid. You've got two distinct characters fighting, and their features stay consistent throughout the entire 5-second clip. Watch the camera work here. There's a deliberate pan that follows the action. That's not random. That's cinematic intent being understood and executed by the model. All right, this one's getting massive attention. Look at what's happening here. 3 character image references showing different angles, plus a motion reference video at the bottom. The model takes all of that and generates the output on the left. The character stays absolutely locked. Same face, same styling, perfect consistency. But here's the impressive part. It's not just copying, it's understanding the character appearance from the images and the movement from the video, then rebuilding everything in a new environment with different lighting. This is the holy grail, multiple reference inputs working together intelligently. Here's a UGC test that's getting attention.
这个它叫 Silky 的 Cream， 然后我觉得还蛮不错的，所以我现在就用这个。
Look at this, a creator talking directly to camera, holding a product, natural hand gestures, perfect application of the product on her face, casual setting. The brand name Silky stays consistent on the bottle. No morphing, no text glitches. And here's what matters. The lip sync is tight, the acting feels natural, and most importantly, it looks real. Our brains are incredibly good at spotting fake UGC content, and this passes the test. Let's talk about what's actually improved from version 1.5, which is currently available on Higgsfield. Seedance 2.0 shifts the focus from making frames look good to making entire sequences work together. Better camera behavior, stronger motion logic, and spatial relationships that actually hold. Here's the key difference. Would you rather have a 3-second clip that looks stunning but can't extend, or a 15-second sequence that maintains character, environment, and story throughout? That's what 2.0 solves. Scene-level consistency over just visual quality. Seedance 2.0 is currently live in China on ByteDance's Ming platform. If you want first access, head to Higgsfield.ai and join the waitlist. That link is in the description below. Seedance 2.0 is coming. The hype is real, and for once, it looks like the output might actually match the expectations. I'll be doing a full hands-on review the moment I get access. Drop a comment below and let me know what's the first thing you'd create with Seedance 2.0. I'll see you in the next one.